Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me immense pleasure to speak about Huffaz who are proving their mettle and passing out with flying colors in Vision International Academy. You must not have heard much about Huffaz taking modern educations. Vision International Academy in a village called Fulak in Uttar Pradesh is one such academy which through experiential approach and modern methods of pedagogies helping Huffaz to take modern educations and contemporary education. Till date, 114 Huffaz have graduated their higher secondary from Vision International Academy, out of which 2 of them are doing MBBS in foreign, one is taking administrative professional diploma in physiotherapy in Canada, 25 are preparing to crack NEET exam, which is a prerequisite to enter into medicine programs. 4 of them are doing paramedical programs, 4 of them are doing management programs, and 9 of them wants to be advocates and join political science and serve the legal domain of the society, of which 2 admire to be the Chief Justice of India. Thus, Vision International Academy is helping these students who do not want to go further doing Maulviyat and Ifta in the madrasa lines, but they want to choose modern education along with safeguarding their Hifz. Vision International Academy is a platform for them. We at Vision International Academy find ourselves with a limited source to cater to these Huffaz. Till date, we are just able to cater 0.06% of the Huffaz. To cater to very many Huffaz, we require your support. The support of the philanthropists, the support of those who want to bring change in Muslim minority and who want to see India develop by 2050 as set by National Education Policy. Thank you.